Well, hello there. I'm sitting with the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X Pro, or the Lenovo Slim 7X Pro if we are in the United States. This is the AMD version with the Ryzen 6800HS accompanied by GeForce 3050 dedicated GPU. Due to the scarcity of reviews on it as of now, I have decided also to upload a brief video with my thoughts. And I think that the main differentiator from this laptop in comparison to the majority of those on YouTube at the moment is that I do not have the glossy screen, but rather I opted for the non-reflective version instead. And you can see that instead of the very lovely glass bezels going all the way out, this instead have a plastic covering at the edges. I would have preferred the glass, but I think that this version is still very slim, and the plastic doesn't really take away too much of the overall impression of the laptop. So I think that I am overall very satisfied, especially just sitting in a conference room, and the lighting is, well, seldom optimal, but even here I noticed that the non-reflective version is of benefit. Other first thoughts, I like the keyboard, I like the touchpad, however I also like the sound it makes, but it's much easier to get the clicking function in the bottom in comparison to the top. You have to press a lot harder, so I'm not sure if that's going to be adjusted through time and just usage, or if it's a feature. As you can see already, it is prone, this color, to some fingerprint marks, but nothing too, well, at least I don't care about it too much. The other impression that I have is that it is fairly slim. It's fairly lightweight, especially considering just the overall package that we have. So I'm very glad about how portable it is, and being a all aluminium chassis, the weight doesn't really bother me too much, just because you have the quality feel to it. So I think that's very good. Yeah, first thoughts. Also quite like the bigger screen that we have, and the 14.5 inches by 16 by 10 aspect ratio. Here we can see a very simple comparison with the Dell Inspiron version, Intel 11th Gen. Just having that 14-inch 16 by 9 in comparison to the 14.5 inches and 16 by 10. Both of these screens are maxed out in brightness, and it clearly shows that the 400 nits on the Lenovo version is a lot more appeasing to the eyes. Continuing with this comparison, the overall thickness is lower, and yeah, again, I really like how slim this is for what's contained inside.